Hi guys, good evening. I'm here at the Koila, here at the highway. Outside, and because I have to go to the kitchen and I will show you how they're making their food.
Satu sir already ushira ala you don't even love me kasi kami nangu sa mumila tu banto siya.
This Afghani bofi. Kidding. Oh, the aromatic is so enticing, guys. Like, oh my god. It's full of spice. It's really good. Meat is melting on the mouth. Laka chicken with the sesame seed on top. It's a little bit spicy, but it's really good. Real food is here in our table. So I'm gonna try the dampok. This is dampok, the specialty food of Koila Sarai. So delicious. It's so good. Smells like really barbecue with matching with the tamarind sauce. Meat was so tender. It's easy to chew. It's not spicy at all. Koila Karai are making it in the charcoal. Let's see what will be the difference from ordinary karai. Given me two classes of bread. Turinan, you can say. And this is their special. So they also given me this ordinary chapati. So let's try the tandoori first. The meat was really tender. It's a little bit spicy for me. All worth it. Really worth it. This is my pork. And this is the chicken shashlik. Interesting. Not that sweet. It's not that spicy as well. The food is so good. Dessert. And this is their specialty, kunafa. Too crunchy, pistachio on it on the top with almonds. So sweet, the way I like it.